Alright guys, punta tayo guys doon sa banda ron. Oh, sorry. Guys, naka-up lahat ng mga hot air balloons. Ayan. So ito ganda guys, ganda. Oh wow, look at that. Ito guys yung mga Star Wars character guys. Andito guys sa may Sonoma County. Hey guys, gonna go up na guys. Ayan guys, we're going. Ayan guys, we're going up now. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Time check, it's 4:30 in the morning, July 19, 2026. So I am on my way na guys sa may Sonoma Fairgrounds para manood ng annual Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classics 2026. Pero bago yan guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Some Wonder. So bali guys, it's only like 8 minutes drive away papunta sa may fairgrounds guys. So bali guys yung fairgrounds, doon dinadaos yung malalaking events tulad ng itong Hot Air Balloon Classic guys. So every county sa California guys, meron sila mga fairgrounds para sa mga ganong events na malalaki guys. So samahan niyo ako guys sa aking for today's vlog and I'll see you there. Ciao! Let's go guys! So ayun guys, just got here sa may Sonoma Fairgrounds guys. So ayun na guys, nag-start na sila mga mag-glow na mga hot air balloon guys. Ayun, sa aking likuran guys, ayun. So medyo late tayo guys kasi nag-start sila ng 5 o'clock para sa glow. So let's go na guys sa may gate. Ayun. Malapit naman to guys sa sa bahay yung Sonoma Fairgrounds. It's only like 5 minutes drive away guys. So bali guys, yung hot air balloons na magpa-participate for this year event guys is mga 24 hot air balloons guys ang magpa-participate po ngayong taon na to guys. So ayan. Alright guys, let's go. So ayan guys, I'm umuwi na doon sa may gate. Ayan, sa may fairgrounds dito sa may Sonoma County. So bali nag-start na guys yung yung show. Yung glow. Medyo ngayon guys, medyo umaabot na konti. So guys, yung entrance dito sa Sonoma Fairgrounds. Alright guys. Ayan guys, so welcome to Sonoma Fairgrounds guys. Dahil dami na tao ngayon guys. Medyo late na tayo guys dumating dito. Ayan. Ayan. Nag-start na guys yung Ayan guys, so
let's see what we got here. It looks like Patrick Watkins with Meridian. Patrick, is that you? So much for bringing
Ayan guys,
a beautiful balloon here. Patrick Sullivan, our pilot. Good morning, Betty Jean.
So mamaya guys, pag nagliwanag
All
na,
right, we're gonna do a simultaneous
meron silang
flow with
teetered
all of our pilots. Everybody come
balloon
down.
ride guys. So
Cameras ready. This is a good
depends
one for a
sa
video.
weather
If
guys.
you want to do a selfie with all of these balloons in the background, we're gonna do a simultaneous glow. All of our balloons at the same time. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glow!
Oh, here we go guys. Nice. Look at that guys. Ganda.
It is such a kick to do that. I feel like Mickey Mouse. Sprinkle!
Ayan guys, so ganda guys, oh.
So much.
Sonoma
All right.
Classic
Are you
Festival.
enjoying yourselves? Are you guys having fun? Let's hear it. Our
Yes.
encouragement this morning. This is amazing.
Look at that guys. Ganda, oh. Oh wow, look at that. Super nice.
Oh, that's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, so exciting to have our pilots here and to do
3, 2, 1. Twinkle!
Twinkle, look at that. So amazing. Ayan guys. Twinkle, twinkle. Glow show ng mga hot air balloon guys. Wow, look at that. Super nice. Kasi dito ako sa gitna.
Thank you, pilot.
Hello.
Amazing. Alright.
So ayan guys, dinideplitin mula yung mga hot air balloons. Ayan. Then mamaya 6:30 guys, i-inflate ulit sila guys. Ayan. Para sa ano guys, sa photo op. Ayan, ayan. So they're starting to deflated ano na yung mga hot air balloons. Ayan. Okay. Hi guys, bili muna tayo guys ng ng makakain dito sa May Fairgrounds. So later on guys, pag medyo nagliwanag na, pwede ka sumakay guys ng hot air balloon guys. Pero depende pa rin sa weather kung kung windy raw or cloudy, they might not to launch the balloon guys. So anyways, ayan guys, so dahil tao. Welcome to Sonoma Fairgrounds. So meron dito guys mga mga stool na mga stores. Bukod sa mga guys, sa mga pagkain dito guys. They have different food stalls and stores. Ayan. Tayo guys sa Bandera kung may
You can start to inflate, and folks, we're going to ask you to wait just a little bit longer. We're going to give our pilots more opportunities to get their balloons inflated. We are going to do the tethered ride, so that is going to give you an opportunity.
Ayan guys, ini-inflate na guys yung mga hot air balloons. Kasi kanina after nung glow, muna nila. So ngayon nag-start sila mag-inflate. Ayan guys, so pinapalipit nila guys yung mga yung mga hot air balloons. Yeah, dito yun guys sa Sonoma Fairgrounds. Ayan. Dahil pa rin tao guys. No? Ayan. Super. Ayan guys, so.
Nerd, I love them so much.
Yeah, look at that guys.
We also have the Bay Area Bounty Hunters. Yeah, Bay Area Bounty Hunters. Get it, get it. And the Rebel Legion. If you're part of the dark side.
Ayan guys, so naka-inflate na guys yung mga balloons. So meron dito guys na mga 32 hot air balloon guys na nag-participate ngayon for this year Sonoma Hot Air Balloon Classic Festival guys sa Sonoma County guys. Ayun, no? So mamaya guys, iaalok nila yung mga tao na pumunta doon sa field guys para makapag-picture. And pwede ka rin guys sumakay doon sa hot air balloons, but you have to pay $50. Yan guys, oh. Tayong tao guys, ayan. Ayan guys, yan. Ayan. Hello. Ayan guys. So, look at that. Hi guys.
Be sure to get
Welcome
some
to
merch today.
Sonoma
We have a
County
great merch booth
Hot
that,
Air Balloon
here
Classics
at the north end
2026
of the
guys.
field.
Ayan.
You can pick
As you can
up
see guys, ayan,
t-shirts,
naka-inflate na lahat ng mga
pins,
hot air balloons. So meron dito mga
and pick up your program.
24 hot air balloons guys sa field na to guys. Ayan guys, so ganda. So let's go over there guys. Doon maganda picture mamaya. Doon, doon, picture.
You can see the cute little
Photo
picture
of
of
Don.
me
Don.
as well in there.
Don,
My
picture
name
on
is
Don.
Michelle Marquez. I
Yeah,
am
do.
from KRCB
Alright, guys.
104.9 Sonoma County's NPR station. I am a news anchor
Ayan
there.
guys, so
I
mali
host
to.
a weekly show called the 707.
Ayan, butterfly.
Cool things in the North Bay.
Ayan.
And I also have a music show. It's every Thursday night.
Alright, so
on
let's go over there
KRCB.
guys.
You can listen online at krcb.org. If you like the music that you heard today,
Come on, Joy.
similar fun tunes,
Joy.
often themed, sometimes not.
Joy.
It's a Connections program.
Joy.
Tonight on
Joy.
Thursday nights on KRCB.
Alright, let's go over there. Ayan guys, so. So ito mga guys, yung butterfly, ayun. Yung butterfly na hot air balloon. Maganda. Ganda siya guys. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys yung ano, yung butterfly. Ayan o. Ayan, butterfly. Ayan, ganda. So tanong natin guys kung ilang hot air balloons meron dito ngayon sa ano, sa festival. Excuse me, sir. How many total of hot air balloons today? How many hot air balloons for today's event? How many in
How
total?
many are here?
Yeah, like 24? Yeah.
We had more yesterday.
I
than we
know,
had
yeah, more
today.
yesterday. I was here yesterday.
Right. So
Yeah, this more yesterday,
what do we
right?
got? 2, 4,
Yeah.
6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17
Only
today.
yesterday is like 24, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's the ones in the
Oh,
back.
what's
so
more, yeah.
18, 19. We
Oh,
got 19
all right.
on the grounds today.
Not bad, it's still good.
Yeah, not bad. There was definitely more yesterday.
I know, I was here
It was really
yesterday.
packed yesterday.
I know. How come this today is not the same?
Some pilots
Oh.
feel like if they don't get to fly, that it's not
Oh.
worth setting up and tearing down.
Right, all right.
So yesterday was kind of in the air whether we were going to fly or not. Today was even less of a chance. So
Okay.
and they come from far away. They come from all
Oh,
over
yeah?
the country. So
Oh.
it's like I'm going to get out early and
Oh,
get
yeah.
closer to home faster.
Got you. Thank you,
So,
sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah, all right, guys. So, 19 balloons lang pala, guys, ngayon. Mas marami kahapon. Mga 20 plus. So, ngayon, mga 19 hot air balloons lang. So, ayan. Ang nag-participate. Ayan. Dito tayo ngayon sa, ano, sa field ng Sonoma Fairgrounds and Santa Rosa, California. Ayan, guys. So, doon tayo nagbanda, guys. Sa banda ron pa tayo, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. Yeah, so ganda, guys. So this is annual event, guys. So yearly to ginaganap sa tuwing month ng July, summer days. Pero ngayon medyo malamig dito and medyo cloudy dito sa Sonoma County, California. Ayan guys, super nice, ganda. Ganda guys. Oh, sorry. Hello. Ayan guys. So kanina guys, sumakay kami ng hot air balloons. Yung theater lang. Buti na lang umaga kami guys, pumila. Kasi kahapon, nung pumila ako, hindi na ako nakaabot kasi naubusan ng gas yung hot air balloons. Ayan guys, so yung isa nakataas siya. Ayan, yung isang hot air balloons. Ayan guys, so yun. Ayan guys, so look at that. Ayan. Yan siya guys. Hello. Yan. Look at that. Ganda. Ayan. Alright guys. I hope you enjoy my video guys. And thank you for watching my channel and my Reels at Facebook. Ayan guys. So dito. Ayan. So dyan kanina guys sumakay. Diyan sa yellow na hot air balloon kanina guys. Ayan. Alright. Ayan guys. Look at this guys. Welcome to Sonoma Fairgrounds, guys. Ayan. Nice. Stop recording. Stop recording. Ayan guys, pinapagulog guys. Ito siya guys. Ayan guys, it's gonna go up na guys. Ayan, all up. There you go. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classics 2026 guys. Dito yan guys sa Santa Rosa, California and Sonoma County guys. Ayan. Welcome guys sa napakagandang hot air balloons. So for this events guys, meron silang 32 hot air balloons na nag-participates dito sa Sonoma County Fairgrounds. Ayan guys. Medyo wala na yung mga tao guys. Ayan. Ayan, ang Sonoma Fairgrounds. Ayan guys, yung mga characters sa Star Wars movie guys. Ayan. Dito sila sa sa fairgrounds. Ayan guys, yung mga characters sa Star Wars. Ayan guys sila. Ayan guys. Ayan guys.
Big thanks to the 501st Golden Gate Garrison, the Rebel Legion, and Bay Area Bounty Hunters for coming out and making today so special.
Welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classics
Everyone here,
2026, guys.
the Masters
Oh, yeah.
of the Balloon. It's really special.
Ayan, guys. Ganda, guys. Super nice, guys. Bali, it's my second time na, guys, na makatin ang event na to, guys. Yung first one was like 3 years ago pa yun, guys. So, yeah. Ayan. So, sakit tayo, guys, ng hot air balloons. Magbabayad lang tayo, guys, ng $15. I think that's for 5 minutes ride. So, alright, let's go. Ayan, guys, punta kami, guys, sa may cashier para magbayad ng hot air balloon rides. Ayan, guys, ang dami ng pila, oh. Ayan, guys, oh, ang dami ng pila mula doon. Ayun, guys, ang dulo. Diba? So, mga 50 minutes, guys, i-inflate na, guys, yung mga hot air balloons. Isa pa lang, guys, yung yung magana balloons. Ayan, so ayan. Mamaya i-inflate yung doon sa dulo yung another hot air balloons. Alright, so we're gonna pay $15, guys, para sa hot air balloon rides. Let's go. So ayan, guys, so we're just waiting for our turn para sa hot air balloon rides, guys. So ayan, dito malapit kami, guys, sa may pila, guys. Kasama ko si Joy, si Elsie. So yan. Ayan, nag-start na rin sila mag-inflate ng mga hot air balloons. Ayan, guys. Doon. Ayan. Ayun. Iyan na isa, guys, yung yung isang hot air balloons. Yung isang mga hot air balloon na gagamitin sa So, ayan, guys. Ini-inflate nila yung isang hot air balloons na gagamitin nila sa sa rides, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Malapit kami sa aming pila, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys, so malapit na siyang ma-inflate yung mga hot air balloons. Ayan. Ganda. Ang dami ng pila, guys. So, doon pa yun sa dulo. Kahapon, guys, dito rin ako, pero hindi na ako nakaabot kasi naubusan na ng gas yung hot air balloons, kaya umuwi na lang ako. Ayan, so ito pa yung isang, guys, na hot air balloons na kanilang gagamitin para sa rides. Ayan, ang Remax. Alright. Ayan, guys, so lumipad na yung hot air balloons. Ayan.
That one just falls on the other one. I'm gonna be so funny.
Oh, umikot siya. Look at that, guys. Ayan. Ito ba isa, guys, ini-inflate nila? So, guys, yung mga iba pang hot air balloons, almost inflated na. Almost inflate. Yan, ganda, guys. So, dito yan, guys, sa Sonoma Fairgrounds, may Sonoma County, California. Ayan. Ganda. Alright, there we go. Finish siya. Ayan, guys, malapit na siyang may inflate yung isang hot air balloons na gagamitin sa ride, guys. Ayan, so far, isa pa lang yung gumagana, guys. Ito pa lang, guys, na yellow hot air balloon winery. Ayan. Ayan, guys, so ito mga dami ng pila, oh. Oh, wow, look at that. So pretty. Welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classics 2026. Dito yan sa Sonoma County, California. Ayan guys, naka-up na siya guys. Blue Star propane cells. Ayan guys, up on the sky. So isa rin yung gagamitin guys na hot air balloons para sa mga rides. Ayan, alright. Look at that. Super nice. So ayan guys, so naka-inflate na yung mga hot air balloons. Yeah. So pwede ka guys dyan lumapit sa field para selfie and video. Ayan guys, so ganda. So dito kami guys sasakay para sa aming hot air balloon rides. And then isa pa rin yung guys, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Ang laki niya guys. Ayan, ganda guys. So we are here in the Sonoma Fairgrounds sa may Santa Rosa, California. Ayan. So kami na ata ang next guys. Ayan. Look at that. Ganda. Welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classics. Alright. So ayan guys, naka-inflate lahat ng mga hot air balloons. Ayan o. So mamaya pwede ka doon pumunta guys. Ganda. Super nice. Ayan. Medyo cloudy nga lang dito sa may Sonoma County. Alright. Alright. Alright guys. So ayan guys, malapit kami sa aming sa aming ride guys. Ayan. Kami na guys susunod. So ito guys, diyan kami guys sasakay ng hot air balloons. So yung isa pang guys na balloon. Ayan. Ganda guys, grabe. Ayan o. Super nice. Ayan. Dito yan guys sa may Sonoma Fairgrounds. Ayan. Super nice. Sama ko sila Joy. Si Elsie. Okay guys, kami na susunod guys. Ayan. Ito yung aming sasakyan na hot air balloons. Ayan. Alright, let's go. Ayan guys. Dito kami. Hello. Ayan. We're gonna hold it. Ayan guys.
You like them dirty blonde or blonde?
You got it?
Thank you so
No
much.
problem. Ayan guys.
Yeah, I got it.
So dito kami guys sasakay ng
You're gonna come on this side.
Yes sir, I will. No problem. Alright. Ayan guys, so ganda guys. Super nice. So we're gonna just wait.
I remember.
Hinahawakan na namin yung hot air balloon guys kasi siya, malakas siya guys, lilipad. So bali lang guys, nakatali siya para hindi siya lumayo. Kaya tinawag siya ng teetered ride lang.
I still have your video.
Kasi yung mismong actual na hot air balloons, medyo mahal guys doon. Alright. We're gonna go up now guys. Alright guys, ito na kami guys sa sa loob ng basket. Alright. Hello, Ate Joy. Say hello. Alright guys. Basta kami. Gonna go up na.
Be careful, your shoes are untied. Everybody stands on one leg. Okay, everybody stand on one leg.
Oh, video na yan. Oh. Ayan, hello.
Hello.
Ayan guys.
Sonoma Ballooning.
Palipad na kami guys, palipad na kami. Ayan. We're gonna stop recording. Stop recording. So ayan guys, pasakay na kami ng ng nauna si Elsie, saka si Joy. So I'm next na. I'm next.
So that there's, because you're going to be here.
Look at that yung loob. Ayun. Ayan guys. Ito ko. Go ahead.
One foot, another
Come
foot.
on in, folks. Aaron.
Look at that, guys.
Anybody's birthday?
Yay!
Happy birthday to you!
Oh, ayan guys, we're going. Ayan guys, we're going up na. Woo, bye-bye. Ayan. Ayan guys. Nasa taas na kami guys. Stop recording. Ayan guys, we're up in the air. All right. Joy, let's see. All right. Ayan guys, oh. Ganda. Ayan guys.
Wave over there, Otis.
Ang taas na guys. Mataas na kami, 50 feet. Yeah, wow, look at that.
Yay!
Amazing.
Everybody say hi to David!
Yeah. Woo! Wow, taas. Ayan guys, ganda oh.
Everybody wave!
So ayan guys, we just finished our rides. So punta kami guys doon sa may ano, sa may field. So let's go. Ayun pa isa yung isang ano guys, isang hot air balloon sa pwede ka sumakay. Ayan. So let's go over there. Tara doon, Elsie. Doon na tayo sa ano. Hi guys, welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classic 2026 guys. Ayan. Dito kami sa may field guys. Kasi allowed daw yung mga tao dito guys sa mag-selfie, photo op, and videos. So we just finished our rides guys doon. So buti na lang guys, pumila kayo ng maaga kasi kung hindi, haba na ng pila ngayon eh. Ayan guys, ganda. Super nice. Ayan guys, ang ganda. Look at that. Welcome guys to Hot Air Balloons Festival. Ayan. Ayan guys, let's go over there guys. Para makita natin yung ibang mga hot air balloons. Tsaka meron tong doon, parang hot air balloon na parang pang photo op. Andun. Parang pero may siyang backdrop lang. Andun. Ayan guys. Ayan, ganda guys. So, welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classic 2026. Ayan guys, so ganda. Super nice. Ayan guys, so. Ayan.
And a big shout out to our board. We have an amazing
So
board.
dito guys, may mga iba-ibang mga character ng hot air balloons. So mayroong yung courting apple, saka yung butterfly. Ayan guys, yung smiley face. Maganda rin doon guys. So in total guys, siguro mga 24 hot air balloons sa 4 today's event guys. Ayan guys, so ganda ng butterfly. Ayan, look at that. So nice. Ayan. Ganda guys. Ayan. Doon. Pwede mag-picture doon. Doon, picturean doon. Yun. Ayan, ganda.
Ito.
Alright guys, let's go doon sa may field para makita yung mga hot air balloons up close and personal. Ayan guys, so. Yan. Welcome to Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classic. Ayan guys. Alright. Tara. Let's go, Joy. Mga Pilipino mga to. Ganda guys to. Ayan guys, ganda. Buto pa inuna muna yung hot air balloon kasi buto pa inuna natin muna kasi kung mamaya pa tayo abutin ng siyam. Tsaka ano, ayan guys, so ganda oh. Look at that. Ayan, ganda guys. So dito na tayo sa field ng fairgrounds. Ayan guys. Ayan.
Bawat ano may pwede kang kumakain.
Ano lang. Pero hindi siya lilipad. Picture, hindi siya lilipad dyan. Hindi.
Nakita ko kanina.
Alright guys, time to go home na. I'll see you next year again. So, pabalik kami guys sa parking lot. Ano yun?
Malalayo.
Alin?
Taga Bakabil pa yung
Yung isa?
nakasabay namin nagpicturean
Filipino?
dyan. Oo.
Oo nga, malalayo talaga sila. Dumadayo sila. Oo, iba-ibang lugar. Yan pa lang nagpa-participate ng mga hot air balloons. Sa iba-iba pa lang basta din galing yung mga yan. Kaya yung iba hindi pumunta. Kasi mas marami kahapon eh.
Oh, really?
24, ngayon 19 lang daw, ngayon 19. Pero marami pa rin, maganda pa rin.
So,
Yan.
parang isang araw lang sila nag-ano dito, nag-show?
Oo, yung iba. Yung iba hindi na pumunta. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next year. Alright, guys, time to go back to the parking.
Ay, naka-video yan.
No.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for
Thank you for watching my channel.
Please like and subscribe.
Please don't forget to
Sam
subscribe.
Wonder.
Ayan, doon tayo park. Sonoma Playground. Ayun, may drone, no? Ayun, no? May drone. May drone.
Walak bawal.
Ayun, baka kasama sa event yun.
Ayaw.
Oo. Kasi minsan,
Delikado talaga dahil mamaya pupunta doon sa mga-
natatrack ng mga pulis yan, yung drone. Kaya pag makakita yung exact location mo, putang ka. Ano ngayon, high-tech na yung mga ano ngayon. Kaya mahirap magpalipad ng drone. Kaya di ko dala drone ko. Alright guys, we almost there sa car. Sayang wala si Richie.
Kaya nga, birthday pa naman niya ngayon.
KG kasi si Richie, KG eh. Alright guys. I'll see you next year again guys sa Sonoma County Hot Air Balloon Classic. Ayan guys, dito ako sa parking lot. So dito kami guys nag-parking sa VIP. Alright. Ciao guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. On my next video. Thank you for watching. And then, God bless everyone. So dito kami guys sa may Creepvine sa may Montgomery Village. So after namin guys manood ng hot air balloons, dumaan muna ako dito para kumain ng aming breakfast before going home. So bali first time ko guys dito makakain. So bali na-recommend ito nila Joy at ni LC. Masarap daw dito. Kasi kumain na sila dito last time. Ayan guys, dito yan sa may Montgomery, sa may Santa Rosa, California. So, anong mga sarap dyan na order din?
Ito yung order namin. Tapos yung...
Wala silang
tapos
breakfast,
yung
ano?
Crab Joy, no?
Wala silang parang breakfast, yung ano, yung tulad parang sa ano,
Pancakes.
o magano niya, yung may kasama. Ayan. Pancake waffles. Okay. Okay guys, let's go inside
Ito,
na.
pistado.
Dito sa Creepvine. Alright. So kami guys, yung pinakauna. They just opened at 8 o'clock guys. Good morning! So ito yung ano, ng Creepvine guys. Okay. So, ito guys yung aming in-order. Pancake. Yan, saka eggs. Ang pangalan niya, Joy?
Tuscany.
Tuscany
Crepe.
crepe with potato and salad on the side. Yan. Kain tayo guys. Meron pa kami ibang order. Alright. Kain tayo.